Hello students, this is Professor Kiran Poddar from Angadi College, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management. Now we'll take one important and quite interesting example of probability distribution. If the probability of a bad reaction from a certain injection is 0.001, determine the chance that out of 2000 individuals, more than 2 will get a bad reaction. Just compare this example and check it out whether it is a binomial or a Poisson. There are 2000 individuals. One injection will be given to a person, to a group of people where 2000 people are there. For 2000 people the injection will be given. Out of that 2000 people, bad reaction is possible with 0.001. 0.001 means what? That is nothing but 1% of the people are going to get a bad reaction. Sometimes we see that for kids and all from the government, when the injection will be given, sometimes we observe the rumors also that injection is not good, don't take it. Because of that many people have suffered. In my neighbor, one person is got suffered, this person is got suffered. So we should not generalize that, because we have to see that injection is given to how many people. Out of that, how many people got a bad reaction from that we have to check it out. If out of 2000 people, 1% means what? 2 members. If 2 members got bad reaction, means we have to check it out. 1998 people have got a good reaction for that, means they got benefited from that injection. Then we cannot blame that injection which is bad or something. So that we need to check it out. Here we see, we are calculating how many people are got bad reaction, that is 1% out of 2000, means probability of success is very less, whereas number of trials are huge in number. Therefore it is a Poisson distribution. Okay, therefore first, how do you start this? We say probability of occurrence is what here? Bad reaction. Probability of a bad reaction is very small, no doubt. How small it is? 1% out of 2000 people, means 2 members out of 2000. So it is, this is a Poisson distribution where n is very large in number and p is very small in number. So it is Poisson distribution. Okay, so we need to calculate mean. Mean is required. Mean is mu, that is nothing but n into p. Further it will be taken as m. Okay, therefore m is equal to n into p. What is n? 2000, and p is 0.001. Therefore if you calculate this, it becomes 2. So mean is 2. Okay, mean is 2. Therefore by Poisson distribution, we know that p of x is nothing but e raised to minus m raised to x divided by x factorial. So that is e raised to minus 2, because m is 2, into 2 raised to x divided by x factorial will be p of x. Okay, p of x. So this becomes a formula for us. Fine. So first let us calculate. There is only one sub question given, that is more than 2 will get bad reaction. We need to calculate the probability of this. So let probability of more than 2 people will get its bad reaction from a injection means what? That is nothing but probability of x more than 2. You see, please keep it in the mind. They said more than 2, more than 2. They have not told 2 or more than 2. No, 2 is not included. So x is more than 2. That we have to calculate. What is x more than 2? X more than 2 means 2 is not included, no doubt. It will be 3, it may be 4, it may be 5, it may be 6, up to how many? Up to 2000. That is very lengthy to calculate. So we go for its other part. That is probability of success is equal to 1 minus probability of failure. Then it becomes 1 minus probability of. If x is greater than 2, here equal to is not included. So here it will be included. So x is greater than. So here it will be x is less than or equal to 2. X is less than or equal to 2 means what? 1 minus probability of x is equal to 2, no doubt. So less than, that means what? 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1 plus probability of x is equal to 2. 2 also included. That has to be calculated. Therefore probability of x is greater than 2 is nothing but 1 minus, put x is equal to 2 here. Then one thing is common here. That e raised to minus 2. That is, take it out. Then it is 2 raised to 0 divided by 0 factorial plus 2 raised to 1 divided by 1 factorial. If you put x equal to 2, it becomes 2 square divided by 2 factorial. Therefore it is 1 minus e raised to minus 2 into this is 1, this is 2, and this is 2 again. Okay, this is 1, 2, 2. Therefore it is nothing but 1 minus e raised to minus 2 into 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. So this has to be calculated. Therefore probability of x greater than 2 is equal to, if you calculate this all together in Calci, then you will be getting 0.3233. 3233. Therefore, thus out of 2000 individuals, the chance of more than 2 get a bad reaction from the injection is 0.3233. Means what? 32.3% of the chances are there. More than 2 will get a bad reaction. Means it may be 3 or 4, whatever it is, but this will be the chance. Thank you.